Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some really fast custom molds that you can use for your cakes and cookies. I've made a bunch of them that I've used on a variety of projects. You can use these silicone molds with fondant, modeling chocolate, isomalt, a bunch of different things, and it lets you kind of customize your product. Okay, first all we need to do is get some super mold putty. There's equal parts. I'm going to put a link in the post where you can find it. They do carry it at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, a lot of local places. You're just going to get part A and part B, equal portions, and mix this together really fast until you can't see any more white. So you want to really mix it well. It takes a little bit, but you'll have a mold that you can use forever. Okay. What I try to do is roll out all of the lines and things. So now we have our mold. I'm going to flatten it down. I'm just going to do buttons today. These are just some buttons I found laying around the house. We're going to push them into the mold. And again, you can use whatever you want. Okay, that's how easy it is. We're going to let this set up, and then you wait about 15 minutes, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay guys, these buttons have had a chance to sit for a little bit, so I'm going to show you how I take them out. Just pull it out. This probably could have sat for a little bit longer, but I wasn't being patient. And then now we have a mold. That you can use to make your own little buttons, or like this one, a buckle. So go out and get some and try it. Thanks. Bye.